Hannah later. I'm just gonna go wait for 30 minutes, 30 seconds to 6, and I'm gonna go find her. I'm gonna go find her. Dito ko muna kumari ito. I got you! Oh, I see his... I see her camera. Asan si Percy? Kulaga! I found you! Let's go find her. I think she's here, close to the camera. Oh my god! I see! I got you! Hello! Nandito ko sa may phone eh. Oo, wait. Wait lang siya, wag ka muna magtago. Hindi pa ako ready. Ha.
Wala nang milk.
Maghintay lang ng 2 minutes. Wala kaya ha? Nasaan siya? I see you, bro. Dito ka kasi sinisilip kita kanina. I'm spying on you. Kailan na? 3 minutes na. Dapat 4 minutes yun ah. 4 minutes and 1 second. So, I'm the seeker right now. So, it's already 30 minutes past. 30 seconds. Let's go find her. Let's find her. Where is he hiding, brother? She's not here. Kasi pag 45, if ako nakita. I cannot find her. I got you! Let's go say bye. Bye-bye guys. Stay tuned for another vlog on this channel again from Share and Grace channel. Like and subscribe so we can hit 100k subscribers. 4 minutes na to. Bye-bye.